Natural stone contains micropores that absorb oil and water. That's why it's so important to treat natural stone to protect it against water and stains. Now we'll do a test to see the absorbency of stone with water droplets and oil droplets. Water droplets. And oil. Here you can already see the difference between the treated and untreated portions of the stone. Now let's remove the oil and water. Here we can see how important it is to treat natural stone surfaces. All 3 treated portions of the stone are stain-free and water repellent.